This video provides a brief description on how to use the editor tool with Istoriam. The editor is used to edit records in bulk. For example, you might want to change the font color used with a set of records. So instead of editing each record separately, the editor provides means to edit them all in one action. To open the editor, click on the editor icon on the toolbar. Note that you can also open the editor under the window menu or by using the fast key combination of Command-Shift-R. The editor window is divided into three parts: the toolbar, the operation sidebar, and the data view. The toolbar has the fields that define what to be edited. First, you select the attribute to edit. Currently, 4 attributes can be edited in bulk: tags, level, font color, and parent. Second, you select the scope of the edit. That is the set of records that you want to consider for editing. 4 options are provided: the set of records currently selected, the set of records that are currently visible, the filtered records, or the whole database. The operation sidebar provides the available editing options. Those will vary based on the attribute to edit. Typically, they allow you to add, modify, delete, etc. the selected attribute. The data view is where the values of the attribute are listed. A few examples will explain better how the editor works. For our examples, let's consider the set of records that are associated with the U.S. presidents that were part of the Whig Party, with the records associated with President John Tyler being selected. Using the editor tool, you can see the tags that are used with the selected records, i.e., those associated with President Tyler. You can also select to see the tags that are used with the visible records, in this case, the whole set of Whig presidents. For the first demo, let's try to modify the tags associated with the records in scope. To show the changes as they are made, we are using the table view that lists the records with their tags. Notice the current tags associated with selected records. Let's try to add some tags to that list. For that, click on the plus icon, which will open the List of Tags window. You can either select tags from the existing list or create new ones. For this example, let's add a couple from the existing list. Enter Category in the search field and select Economy and Other, then click on the Select button. Notice now that all the selected records have these 2 tags now added. You can also modify the value of a tag. For that, select the tag you want to modify. For this example, let's select USP Category Other. Click on the pen icon and then enter the modified value. Let's change that value to Editor Demo. Here too, the table reflects the new value of the tag. Finally, you can delete a tag by selecting it, then clicking on the bin icon. Let's then delete the 2 tags that were added. In the second demo, we will try to change the font color of some of the visible records. The data view shows all the colors used by these records. Let's change those under the President category from purple to green. For that, select the purple row in the data view and then click on the pen icon. The color wheel window will open. Select the desired green option. As you can see, all the purple records were changed to green. The same concept works with editing the level and parent ID attributes. Please refer to the text manual for the details associated with each editable attribute, as well as the operation available with each one.